birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. 对生日。Happy birthday to Wang Chuqin. Happy birthday to you.
Yesterday, China national table tennis team stood once again at the top of the world. The men's and women's teams lifted the trophies at the ITTF World Team Table Tennis Championships finals, proving that China is still the strongest team in table tennis. And today, it is the birthday of Wang Chuqin. What could be a better birthday present than becoming world champion with your teammates? The final was full of emotion. The pressure was huge. Team Japan fought with incredible spirit, and every match was intense. But in the end, China defended the title again. 12 consecutive championships, the 24th Swaithling Cup in history. Another legendary chapter for Chinese table tennis. One of the biggest moments came from Liang Jingkun. Facing Tomokazu Harimoto, he made an unbelievable comeback and gave China the first point of the final. The whole team exploded with emotion. This is the spirit of team competition. Fight for every point, fight for your teammates, fight for your country. And after the victory ceremony, something beautiful happened. At the championship press conference, the International Table Tennis Federation prepared a birthday cake for Wang Chuqin. The entire hall celebrated together. Champion on the court, birthday boy off the court. This is why the World Team Championships is special. It is not only about trophies, it is about emotion, pressure, teamwork, tears, and unforgettable memories. One day, you are fighting for every ball under the brightest lights in the world. The next moment, your teammates are singing happy birthday beside the championship trophy. For Wang Chuqin, this
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.